Hey guys, I'm promoting actually making your own avocado with lemon juice, guacamole pack, avocado, some salt, water, whatnot. I love avocados, so I'm going to be talking about avocados a lot, I guess. But anyway, I haven't tried it yet. I look forward to trying it, but it's just too dang expensive buying avocado. Well, actually, you know, buying the pre-packed avocado stuff. I'm finding out that I actually eat a whole pack of avocado pre-made a day now, and it's about $5. And I don't want to spend $100 something, $150, $200 eating that. So I'm about to do a price comparison and see if it saves money to actually make my own versus buying the ones that are already pre-made. We're gonna see what works. Besides, I like cooking. I love cooking, so I'm working on figuring out how to actually do it for myself. Alright, thanks for joining me. It's called Mrs. Wages, like wages that you earn. And if you want to learn how to make your own guacamole, then check it out.